We woke up when 26/11 happened, came out in our Gucci's and designer way with candles because the terror attack had happened to the great Indian middle class. Nobody came to their rescue. These people ran haywire, creating hatred and beating up people. And mind you, it's not just happening in Maharashtra, it's happening across the country. The biggest issue this country is going to face in the next few years, there's going to be no unity. We are fighting in the name of religion, we are fighting in the name of regionalism, and we are fighting in the name of water. Telangana, the big issue is water. Soon state will stop letting water flow to other states. We are fighting. There's no value of secularism on which our country's constitution is based. Where is the secularism? I get scared sometimes in Goa when educated people tell me, oh, these outsiders have come from Punjab and other places and started restaurants and they're taking over our land. And I'm like, so that means my wife is an outsider? My wife belongs to the Sikh community. My son is an outsider because half Sikh? What are you talking? It's happening in Goa. It's happening in Karnataka. The Kannadiga movement. Every place, what is this? Me Maratha, me Kannadiga, me Goan. What is this? Aren't we Indians? Have we lost the essence of being Indian? And these are the youth icons we follow? No, I don't think that's scary.